Hello, this is Jeremy from Northern Maine. Today we're going to try something a little different. I have my pendulum set up, and I'm going to try a little pendulum dowsing. I have the ghost box going in the background also, and I have an EMF K2 meter beside the chart. So I'll be asking questions using the pendulum and also through the ghost box. Is anybody here? Stand up here. What is your name? Hoping I can use that, but it's not gonna look like. The A is to the far on this side, and the Z is over on this side. So my fingers blocked it all. I'm sorry. Is anybody here? Counterclockwise, like this, is no. Clockwise is yes, just for clarification. So we'll stop that. Is anybody here? A straight up and down motion like that signifies ready question. Do I know you? Clockwise circle. Are you female? Are you male? Are you neither? What is your name? Jay? G? U? Gus? Yes. Gus, I believe is one of my spirit guides, is that correct? Yes. Can you say your name on the ghost box, Gus? Do you know what the day after tomorrow is? See? H. R. I. S. T. And Christmas. Clockwise circle, yes. Well, thank you, Gus. I appreciate it. Let's do an X for goodbye. One line. R to B and I to W for goodbye. Can you do I to W, please? So I'm going to close this circle out. Well, I guess that would be I to Y. Thank you, Gus, and Merry Christmas. Well, that was pretty awesome. And I want to say thank you to everybody. Merry Christmas to everybody out there on YouTube.